Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP, and today you'll be learning the basic Filipino words used to ask questions. Knowing them and being able to use them can be a lifesaver when talking to a local. Plus, they might help make locals be more comfortable with you. Starting with ano, which is what in English. No, ano, ano, ano. Anong ginagawa mo? Anong nangyari? Ano po? Bakit is why in English. Bakit. 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 Bakit ka late? Bakit ba? Bakit po? Saan is where. Saan. 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 Saan po ang Makati? Saan ka po? Saan si ate? The next one is paano. This means how. Paano. Paano. Paano? Paano? Paano nangyari? Paano yan? Paano ka nakarating? Paano po ba? And the last two are sino or who in English, sino. 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 Sino ka? Sino po sila? Sino siya? Magkano or how much? Magkano. 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 Magkano po ito, ate? Magkano po, kuya? Magkano yan? Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Ano? Bakit? Saan? Paano? Sino? Magkano? Repeat these words and try practicing them on your own. I hope these common Filipino words can help you the next time you go around town and you need to ask questions to locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.